This video today is how teachers incorporate technology into their classroom. My assignment was to create 10 questions, have the teachers respond to those questions, then I would summarize those responses, then I will analyze a lesson plan given to me by one of the teachers. The 10 questions were as follows. Is technology important when preparing your lesson plan? What type of technology do you use when preparing your daily lesson plan? When planning your lessons, do students take an active part in using the technology? Other than videos, are there any types of technology you incorporate into your lesson plan? Have you used technology so students can research items on your lesson plan? If so, give an example. Do you use technology so students can practice drills or explore new ideas? Given the vast amount of information on the web, how does this impact how you plan your lessons? How does 21st century learning impact the use of technology in your classroom? Over the past 10 years, do you think technology has revolutionized education? Why or why not? Based on the responses from teachers, all of them use technology as a form of engagement for active learning. They all use smart boards or whiteboards, but I felt that based on some of their responses that those technologies was just a little underutilized. Here are some of the responses from the teachers. All teachers thought technology was important when planning lessons. They used smartboards or whiteboards as means of integrating technology into the classroom. Students took an active role by using laptops provided by the schools. All students had access to computers, but students did not participate in planning the lessons. They, however, used laptops to research information on the web. Students are given guidelines as to what topic should be researched. They are also restricted from certain sites. Teachers use technology when necessary. They did not believe technology has revolutionized education. Integration of technology for instructions are used in classroom, but it is not used to its fullest potential. So the 3 teachers that I interviewed did not have access to a lesson plan. However, I was able to get another lesson plan from another teacher, which was really great. This lesson plan had to do with ocean energy and how you harvest energy from the ocean. And the lesson plan was loaded with mini videos. So when the teacher explained something, then a mini video would accompany what was just discussed. So the students had a chance to visually see what was going on. That was really good. So the guided practice, they had the videos to look. At the end of the lesson, the students were supposed to create energy using Faraday's method of electromagnetic induction, where they would use a copper wire and batteries to generate electricity. So different versions were on the lesson plan that they can look at, and at the end they would get together in groups and create this with the materials that were provided by the teacher. That was pretty awesome, I believe, and it was exciting that the videos were integrated within the lesson plan, so the students could go back and start the video and stop it in order to see how to continue the instructions. So that was pretty good. So here is a summary of the lesson plan. So with the background of Faraday's electromagnetic induction, students were given the opportunity to research more information and how the process of creating electricity using ocean energy around the world were created. Students were able to see how actual generators placed in the ocean created energy. The lesson worked well because English learners, gifted and talented students, along with children with disabilities, were able to work in groups and use the method to create electricity using the copper and the batteries. Students in small group were able to help within diverse group of students to put the pieces together. The students were engaged in active learning. Students were able to explore ways ocean energies were used to produce electricity around the world. I believe this lesson plan worked really well. Students were able to be engaged. They were engaged in active learning. They were able to work together as a group and help each other, different groups of students. I think that was really great that they're able to take part and be hands on trying to create electricity. That's always good and engaging. They are active participants. So I thought that the video was really great. The lesson plan with the video was really great. I only had two things that I would probably add to the video, and here they are. Teachers should be able to encourage students to discover and use more digital resources and also be able to diagnose and troubleshoot um, technology issues, because sometimes in classes the equipment doesn't work and the teachers know the students know how to fix it, and you probably have to wait until someone from the Board of Ed tech person come and fix it. So it is always a good idea that students are able to be savvy in troubleshooting issues. It'll be a great help for them and the teacher as well. And second, I think teachers should be able to have students share their ideas on how new technology could help them in the classroom. This way, students have a voice. Other than that, I thought the lesson plan was really great.